Hi and welcome back to a new page in my art journal. Today I'm sharing a spread with a Distress Oxide background again. I start by preparing my page. I decided to make a new art journal with a back-to-back binding, and for that I create the journal pages before I bind the book together. I will make a video when I do this, of course. I use white gesso to prime my background. I recently watched a video by Tim Holtz where he shares that the craft mat works much better than the glass plate to squish down ink and pick it up with a paper, so I will try it today. I start by using my glass plate with the Distress Oxide inks. What I am using is not a real craft mat, it's a baking mat, but it works similar to a craft mat and it is much cheaper. The difference is that on a glass plate the ink moves together when you spritz it with water, and that doesn't happen on the craft mat. So I think it's true and this works a lot better. I'm creating more layers of ink, and when I switch from the cool colors to warm colors, I dry the background to avoid getting mud. I'm adding more layers until I'm happy with the result. I will give you a supply list in the description box. I dry everything with my heat tool, and in between I spritz some water onto the background. This creates even more texture. I'm using one of the grungy borders from Rubber Dance and stamp a frame around my page. I add more stamping to create more interest on the background. I add some scribbles with a pencil. I will also add some scribbles with a black watercolor pencil. When you dip the nib of the watercolor pencil into water, you will get a deep black line. The scribbles add kind of a random interest to the page. My main images will be the rubber dance doodle flowers, and I have already one flower ready to go, and I'm stamping the branch onto watercolor paper. I'm stamping with Archival Ink because I want to color it in with watercolors. I'm playing with my traveler set of the Mijello Mission Gold watercolors today. I'm stamping the two words from the Grungy Stuff stamp set Create Art to the bottom of my page. I'm using a grid block to line the words up. I will add some gold splatters with Liquitex acrylic ink. I'm stamping the sentiment. It's from the Rubber Dance Think Again stamp set. I'm using the cross-stitching border from the Grungy Borders and stamp it to the frame of my title. With the black watercolor pencil, I add some dimension to my title. I'm using glossy accents to glue down the flower and the branch. To finish the page up, I picked the Rubber Dance Summer Love stamp set and I just stamp some of the script to my page. Here is the finished page. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I hope we see us next time. Bye!